Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make these beautiful hats. I really like it very much. It's my style actually. Uh, a little bright colors, but I can use it anyway. So it's an easy one. Man or woman or children can use it easily, and you can make it any size you want. I'm gonna explain it in the beginning, how to adjust it. For this one I use category 4 yarns, worsted weight yarns. You can use any worsted weight yarn you want, and I used a 5mm hook because it's so stretchy. It's stretchy enough. I don't want to make it loose. You see, even a big hat like mine fits this one, and it's an adult version, by the way. Oh, I almost forgot, you can use this hat with this way too, because I'm seeing some men like to use the hat with this way, and I really like it. It looks fabulous, I think. So you can use this hat like that too. So I hope you like it. If you haven't yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be more than happy if you push the like button or write some comments or share this one. If you are ready, we can start now. Now, start with a slip knot. And make 61 chains. 61 chains will be 30 centimeters long. Not chains. When you make 61 chains, turn back and make 60 stitches and measure it. It will be 30 centimeters with my size yarn and hook, of course. If you want, you can make it longer, or if you are making this for a child, you can make it shorter. Don't forget, it's not the width, it's length of your hat. I'm gonna make my chains and turn back to you. Once you complete the chains, you're gonna turn back. You will use these back bumps. Skip this first one, insert into the next and make a single crochet. Grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. You're gonna put 1 single crochet into each stitch. You will have 60 single crochets, of course. I think a few minutes back I said double crochets. Now we are gonna start with single crochets, then make double crochets. It's just 2 row repeat, and you can start with any chain number, so it's so easy. I'm gonna complete this row, then turn back to you. When you complete single crochets, you're gonna make 3 chains and turn. That's my first double crochet. Starting from here, I'm gonna make double crochets, but I will only use back loops. So that's my first double crochet stitch. Skip this one. Starting from the next, I'm gonna use these back loops. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Keep repeating till the end. So that's my last stitch. I'm gonna put a double crochet into here. Start for a double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, and don't complete this double crochet. We are gonna change the yarn, change the color. Chain 1, turn. That's single crochet row again. That's my chain. Starting from this first stitch, use only back loops and make single crochets for each stitch you have. Don't cut this yarn. We are going to carry it with us while we're working. I'm going to show you. Make single crochets till the end. I'm gonna put my last single crochet into this third chain. Don't miss this one, okay? Be careful about it, and time to time you can count your stitches. It's be better. Even I miss a stitch while I'm making this. When I tell you, even it looks so arrogant. I missed the stitch, so I'm telling this to you. Now this is my first double crochet. Skip this one. Start from the next. Put double crochets all through the row. I'm making my last double crochet. Pull through 2 and leave this yarn. Always leave the same yarn to the same side. It will help you. I'm gonna leave this two. If you look like that, it's right. Or I'm gonna keep this near me and leave this to the back side. Okay, when I complete my row. Now grab this yarn and pull through. Make here a little loose, not too much, but little. Chain 1, turn, and starting from the first stitch, I'm gonna put single crochets. That's all we are gonna repeat. We will repeat this row 3 and 4 again and again till our head fits in it. I completed and made 56 rows totally. You can count these lines like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and blah blah if you're a starter. And it's 18. Just a second, baby. A little bit bigger than 18 and 48 centimeters totally. Of course my head is bigger than this but it's stretchy, as you can see, so just wrap it around your head, and if it fits, and that's okay. I like to use this side as the right side. You can use this side too. I will use 2 different techniques while I'm joining this. Actually, it's not 2 different techniques. I will use slip stitch. 2 different methods. I'm not sure if it's right. Yeah, I'm gonna use this slip stitch with only back loop for one side, then the brim side I will use both loops for 2 sides. If we can call them method 1 and 2. By the way, we have leftover yarns here, so I'm gonna use this side as the top. I'm gonna start the joining from here, go this way, then cut the yarn, join here. I will use this side as the top, so brim part will be here. So if we call the using back loop method for the method 1, I'm gonna start with it, then use both loops for this 12 stitches for the brim. If you are using this side as the right side, you are gonna start with method 2, then use the one back loop only side for the brim for 12 stitches. I think it helps. I hope. Oops. I will find it. Okay, so that's where we start, that's where we finish. I'm gonna start the joining from here and go this way. Just stop, okay? Now insert from this first stitch. Is not stop. Okay, insert from this first stitch both loop. Grab this loop, pull through and make a chain. Insert same loop, and from here insert only back loop. Grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. Both loop, back loop, slip stitch. Both loop, back loop, slip stitch. Keep repeating this. You are gonna leave 12 stitches here. I'll meet you there. I leave 12 stitches here, and don't forget I made the wrong side of my work. Okay, that's the wrong side for me. Now I'm gonna turn this inside out. Just grab the loop and starting from here, I'm gonna use both loops. Don't miss the first stitch. Make a slip stitch. That's my last stitch. Make a chain and cut the yarn long enough. Now once you fold here, you see that's our joining point. You cannot find it. Actually, that's also our joining point. Even I couldn't find it. Okay, this one. Now we're gonna close the top. I'm gonna make it from the back. And make sure leave all these tails inside. Oh, sorry. When I told you inside, I mean here. Okay, we will turn it again, and this will be inside. I'm gonna insert from here, go out from the other side. You can start anywhere. I will not make a knot, I just leave a long tail. Just go all the way. When you reach here, I'll meet you. I complete here. Just close here. If you want to make sure about these tails, you can insert all of them one by one. To hold them inside. Now you can close here. Check it one more time. That's good. Then we are gonna hide the tails. It's be better to use same color insert here. And hide the rest. And that's all. I will not use any pom-pom for this because it will be too much. It's so colorful and fancy. Hope you like it. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my Ravelry, Etsy website, Pinterest, blah blah. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.